Metal. Hello and good day, kids. It's Todd from ToJu Racing. How you doing? Happy Saturday. It's race night here. I'm just doing some finishing touches on the track. I just finished adding the Carrera power splices, power extensions. I'm not sure. They just say additional supply here. At any rate, I wanted to go over real quick how we go about that. It's really simple. It seems confusing at first, but it's really not. So here was what we're gonna do and show ya. I'll move the tripod here. Okay, so we're doing this with this piece of track right here because you want to do a track piece that is closest to your power supply before you add these taps in so that you're getting the most power possible. And obviously you want to put, depending on the size of your track, my track's just a little over 50 feet now, so I'm adding only one power tap. I can bridge in and put more clips in and add more locations if I need to. There is enough cable. And what I did was I ran the cable underneath of my track table over to here. So another important thing, a very important thing, I went with track pieces going the same direction so that I wouldn't screw up where I put these things. And I already have this side done here. Sorry about that. Okay, so that side's already plugged in, and you can note the location of the wires and the colors. So we need to replicate that on this piece of track right here. All right, so I went ahead and kind of pulled these apart. So if we look over there, I can actually see the first wire to go right here is the white one, and then the black one right here. And it's pretty easy to do. You just kind of bend these over a little bit like so. And then you insert it into these little slots. As you're doing it, you kind of bend it. It makes it a little easier. There's one already done. Now we'll get this second one, just kind of prep it. Bend it over as you're doing it. It's sometimes they're a little bit fiddly. My new favorite English term. And that one's in. All right, so we look over there. The next one to go here is your yellow one. Again, bend it over a little bit and stick it in your little slot and slide it in. There's a joke there somewhere. All right, and then the last one is our red one. If you don't do this, you'll have a polarity problem. I don't know if you'll blow something up or not, but it won't work. All right, so there we go, they're in. That was pretty simple. All right, so, pull the camera out here. All right, so this track goes in the same direction that way. This piece here goes that way. So we look, we got white, we got black, we got yellow, and we got red. So let's double check on this connection that we did the same thing. All right, looks good because we got white, we got black, we got yellow, and we got red. And that piece of track moves in that direction. So we are all set. And that is all really for this video, but Phoebe wants to say hi. Hi Phoebe, are you being lazy? Yes, you are. All right, everybody. Hey, it's Todd from ToJu Racing out. Race on. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you checking out the videos. If you'd like, please give us a like and a subscribe. We really appreciate your support and liking and subscribing the channel. It helps us grow this new channel for slot car racing. We've had a great adventure so far in the last couple months. We'll do a new video doing a tour of the track once I finish a few more details. So that's it. Race on.